have in the financial predicament to afford those desires. So I want to discuss composing and arranging music, primarily specifically arranging music, arrangement, musical arrangement, and a primary emphasis is going to be placed on baseline.
Yeah. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? Sound. That's the physics interpretation of sound. You know, amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, momentum. Right? And it propagates in nature. Right? As mechanical waves. And you have a crest, you have a trough, and then you have a sort of like an equilibrium between the crest and the trough. And to me, music from a physics perspective is quite a fascinating phenomenon. But the whole objective of this video is not to discuss the physics of sound, but get into the actual, the field.